Oh. She, look at, she'll chase her tail and everything. But like the fact that she can like sit there and play with like a little piece of food. Hey, Taffy's brilliant. She's princess. Oh, Mike's taking a video, so I guess I'll send it to you after. That'll make you laugh. She like paws at it and everything. Like it's right there. All she has to do is eat it, right? And then she stops and like chews off a little tiny piece of it and then plays with it more. Mm. She's cracked. Mm-hmm. She's getting big. I think she's done playing.